moving right along on progress here. Got the rudder rigged up on this. So there's two spots to put these horns. You can put them down here and have it push-pull, or you can put it up here for pull-pull. For the DA120, they recommend pull-pull for proper CG. I went with the nice Seacraft fittings. I like these. Seem to work really good. I like how they kind of go through once, loop back with a copper tube, and then it's crimped with a couple set screws. So they've always worked good for me. Up here, I went with an SWB arm just simply because I had it. Futaba A700, and then I've got the other end Seacraft arms as well with the turnbuckle, and it's the same metal. Do this same end with the way that it loops around. So they're a little pricey, but I like them. I think they're worth it. Up front, I've got the canister mount in place, supplied with the kit. We'll work on KS 3086s or the MTW 80s like I got. Instructions show just to glue it right there. And I really like that positioning because it is right on the balance point of the canisters and headers. So it's nothing's gonna shake or vibrate or put any undue stress on it. So really nice positioning. I've just got my fuel lines and vent line in. I've got my ignition in. I just wrap a little bit of Velcro around the ignition and then just tack it on with CA just as a holder. So ignition's in with some protective wrap. These are my two temperature sensors for the jetty, which goes to an MT300 sensor. And then on the ignition, I have it basically wide between the ignition box, and I've got a sensor here. And the sensor for RPM on the jetty is the MRPM. I'll show a picture. I'll post a picture beside it to show how the MRPM, actually you can see it here. So on the MRPM for DA, if you want to get your RPM to show, the black red wire connects to the ground, to the blue, and then the red wire connects to your signal. So that's the setup: red to signal, black to ground. I think that is about it so far.